Time for a special COVID segment, Good, Bad and Ugly. Here's a report.
Here is the good news of the day when it comes to the COVID-19 pandemic. In spite of a big surge in many parts of the country, including Maharashtra and Punjab, India's case fatality rate as far as COVID-19 is concerned continues to be among the lowest in the world. In fact, it is even lower than the world average. Right now, it stands at 1.39%. It has been unchanged for a very, very long time. Maharashtra and Punjab also, which are seeing a massive surge in cases, have a rather stable case fatality rate. Delhi too is seeing a surge and the positivity rate has gone up to 1%, but the case fatality rate continues to be low. Here is the bad news of the day when it comes to the COVID-19 pandemic. India is seeing a crisis and a 4-month high when it comes to the total number of new cases being reported on a daily basis. More than 43,000 new infections are being reported in the country right now. Maharashtra is accounting for more than 50% of these infections. Hospitals in Maharashtra are filling up very quickly. Delhi too has started to see a surge in the total number of cases being reported on a daily basis. The positivity rate has also gone up to 1%. In fact, lockdowns have returned to many parts of the country. Here is the ugly news of the day when it comes to the pandemic. In spite of several warnings and in spite of instructions being given out to the Uttarakhand government, there are cases that are getting reported from Mahakumbh. What's worse is that the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, Tirath Singh Rawat, has gone on to the extent of saying that nobody is going to be stopped because there is a pandemic and faith is going to help overcome the virus. The central government is not amused because all COVID-19 protocol is being thrown out of the window. The centre has written to the Uttarakhand government to do the needful, given the fact that the central teams that were sent to Uttarakhand to oversee the preparations for Mahakumbh have been very, very dissatisfied with what they saw there in terms of COVID protocol being completely ignored, being neglected by the devotees there, and the Uttarakhand government also looking the other way.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.